Hey guys, I'm AJ, just in case you didn't know, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the 12th birthday cake hat from Roblox. So first, you want to go to your Roblox, and then you want to go to roblox.com/promo codes. Alright. And this is the code. The link will also be in the description. Alright. Exclamation mark. Happy 12th birthday Roblox. And then another exclamation mark. I already got it. So that's why it says invalid promo code, because I already got it. As you can see, I'm wearing it. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I hope this will mean a lot to you. So, peace!